Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to study the Bible for beginners. Studying the Bible can be a daunting task, but it's also incredibly rewarding. By the end of this video, you'll have some practical tips on how to study the Bible in a way that's accessible and meaningful for you. Tip number 1, start with a plan. The first tip for studying the Bible as a beginner is to start with a plan. Decide how much time you want to devote to studying the Bible each day or each week. Then, choose a passage or book to study. You could start with a short book like James or Philippians, or you could choose a familiar passage like the Sermon on the Mount. Having a plan will help you stay focused and consistent in your study. Tip number 2, get a study Bible. The second tip is to get a study Bible. A study Bible is a Bible that has additional notes and commentary to help you understand the text. Some study Bibles even have maps, charts, and other helpful resources. A good study Bible can make a huge difference in your understanding of the Bible. Tip number 3, ask questions. The third and final tip is to ask questions. As you read and study the Bible, ask yourself questions like, what is the main point of this passage? How does this apply to my life? What does this tell me about God? Asking questions will help you engage with the text and understand it on a deeper level. Conclusion. So those are my 3 tips for studying the Bible as a beginner. Start with a plan, get a study Bible, and ask questions. Remember, studying the Bible is a journey, not a destination. Don't be discouraged if you don't understand everything right away. Keep studying and seeking God's wisdom, and you'll see the fruits of your labor in due time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.